Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a discount code on the Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on the Shopify store. Once you're in here, you have to click on the discounts. Now you have to create a discount. Here you have to select a discount type like amount of product, amount of order and free shipping. Once you select the discount type, here you have to add the discount code name. Now you have to add the countries. You can also select it countries or also add the all countries. Here you have to go on the browse and select the countries. Now you have to add the shipping rates and minimum purchase requirements, or can also add the maximum discount uses, like you can limit it. Once you're done with it, you have to save it, but make sure you have to add the country's name. Once you add the countries, you have to save the changes. Now you have to go back on the discount page. Here you have to select the discount. Now here you can activate or deactivate discounts. So this is how you can make a discount code on the Shopify.